Have you ever watched surfers from the beach and noticed how they all seem to gather in a particular area, almost like a flock of birds waiting for something? They are not just floating aimlessly. There is a method to their position, a prime location they all seek. This specific, optimal position in the ocean, where surfers wait to catch the best waves, is exactly what is known as the lineup. It is the sweet spot where the waves are breaking consistently and powerfully, allowing for the longest and most exciting rides. The lineup is not random. It is dictated by the unique geography of the ocean floor and the way ocean swells interact with it. Waves travel across vast distances, and as they approach the shore, they begin to feel the bottom. When the water depth becomes roughly 1/2 of the wave's height, the wave starts to slow down and steepen. This process, called shoaling, causes the wave to eventually pitch and break. The lineup is precisely the area just before the wave breaks, known as the takeoff zone. Factors like the shape of the reef or sandbar, the direction of the incoming swell, and the tidal movement all converge to create this ideal breaking point. Understanding these dynamics allows surfers to anticipate where the best part of the wave will form, giving them the best chance to paddle into it at the right moment. Being in the right spot means catching more waves, avoiding being too far out and missing waves, or being too far in and getting caught by the white water. So, how do surfers find and stay in this magical spot? It is a skill honed through observation and practice. Experienced surfers pay close attention to landmarks on the shore, such as specific trees, buildings, or rocks, aligning themselves with these markers to pinpoint the ideal position. They also continuously watch the ocean, tracking incoming sets of waves and observing where others are successfully catching rides. Paddling technique is also crucial for maintaining position against currents and quickly moving to adjust for shifting peaks. It is a constant dance with the ocean, requiring both awareness and physical effort. Part of mastering the lineup involves understanding key terms like the peak, which is the highest point of the breaking wave, or the shoulder, the unbroken part of the wave that surfers ride along. You will also hear about paddle-o, the process of getting through the breaking waves to reach the lineup. Inside information involves knowing how to read different types of swells, like ground swells or wind swells, and understanding how they will interact with the local surf break. This knowledge helps surfers predict the best times and locations for ideal waves, giving them a significant advantage. Ultimately, understanding the lineup transforms surfing from merely wading in the water into a strategic, exhilarating experience. It is not just about catching a wave. It is about intelligently positioning yourself to maximize every opportunity the ocean offers. By knowing where to be and why, surfers not only enhance their wave count but also elevate their connection with the powerful rhythms of the sea, making every session more rewarding and enjoyable.